Today I'm going to share with you guys my easy, simple version of a low-key boy beat, and it's going to also be featuring my little pimple. So disregard that. We all have them. Yay. First off, I will moisturize with my favorite moisturizer ever, my Kiehl's multi-correcting moisturizer. I also make sure to moisturize my lips using the Kiehl's lip balm. Using my e.l.f. clear brow gel, I brush my brows up and set them in place, and at this point I leave them alone to make sure they dry and set nicely, and I will get back to the brows later on. Using the Fenty Pro Filter concealer in the shade 310, I very lightly conceal where concealing is absolutely needed. I really try not to use a lot of concealer. As you can tell, I really barely use concealer. So I just really conceal whatever is needed to get rid of a lot of redness, to get rid of some of the redness. And yeah, there's no helping this one right here. You know, self-love. We all have pimples. I'm embracing it. I'm just using the tiniest amount of concealer just to get rid of this super red. I'm not going to try to erase it or pretend it's not there. It is there. You can tell it is there. I'm just really trying to get rid of some of the redness. Also my little puffy side lip thing I got going on, but hey, concealing, lightly concealing. And instead of carving out my brow, I just apply the same concealer on top of my brow bone just to get rid of any unevenness. Using the Fenty Mocha Match Stick, I just go ahead and layer it one by one on my cheeks just to give my cheeks a little bit of warmth. I'm not trying to contour, I'm not trying to really go ham over here, just a little bit of flush of a color, just to lightly bronze up my face. Also, I'm using Freckle Fiesta, also by Fenty Beauty. I use it as a blush. It has a little orange hint in it, which I love, and I really start going very lightly, and I just gradually add on to it and add on to it and add on to it. I don't want to have the appearance of a lot of blush. I want everything very natural and light. Again, taking some of that mocha from the matchstick and applying it to my forehead just to give it a little bit of warmth, and blending everything out with my finger. Taking the same shade and just applying it onto my eyelid just to give it some little color. Everything is very natural, very easy. after my brows have set and dried, I use my L'Oreal Brow Definer in the shade Dark Brunette, and yeah, fill in my brows. And I really also try to go very lightly, natural, and so on, so on. I take a clean spoolie. This is an old e.l.f. brush that I just use for brushing, and I kind of blend all the little harsh lines out. Using the NARS Climax mascara, I apply some mascara lightly to my lashes. Nothing heavy, everything light and natural and airy. We're trying to really look like we didn't do much, which we didn't. Using a little clean flat brush, cleaning up any mess that I have made. Using my Makeup Forever lipstick, and I can't tell you what shade this is. It's a discontinued shade, which quite frankly kind of pisses me off because I can't find it anywhere. But using a brush and just lightly dabbing it onto the lips, and that is it. This is my version of the Boy Beat. I hope you liked it, and thanks for watching.